everybody, it's John from Kart Daddy. Today we've got a geo chopper in that we're going to fix. There's been some issue with the rear drive shaft. It's come undone and worn a hole through the frame. So we're going to have a look at that and see what's happened. This is what we've got to fix. This is a problem we got, as I just showed. Drive shaft, the bolts must have come undone and the drive bearing was worn through the frame. This is the part we're going to have to try and cut out and replace, otherwise it's a complete new frame needed. And we don't want to do that. Right, the first step is to take the handbrake off and get that out of the way. Oh, they're loose, aren't they? Which means we've got to unbolt the whole frame piece. Right, we're going to weld this new piece back onto the go-kart now. Right, that's that bit welded back on. Going to give it a bit of a rub down, spray it with some satin black and put the drive shaft back in. And here we have the drive axle on the geo chopper. It only has one drive, The other side is just a stub axle. It's on the other side of the sidecar. So this is the part, and we need to change this bush because this is worn, so we need to take that off. You can see the bush is worn through, worn the edge off where it's been hitting the frame. So the bearing carrier as well is worn. The bolt hole's worn now. I think the top bolt came out and just started wearing the bottom one out. And the bearing's a bit short as well. So I think we'll put a new bearing cap on too, which is this. So I've got a new one of those. So that goes on first. Then new bearing. And I'm going to fit a new bushing as well. Goes on there. That lines up with a hole that's in the actual drive shaft. Just there. Do that up tight. And also I've noticed the woodruff key's missing as well. So we're going to have to fit a new woodruff key in there, which goes in like that. And this can go back on the cart now. Right, with the new section now welded in and painted, we can now refit the drive shaft. Making sure the woodruff key fits into the slot like that, and then we can bolt it all back into position. With the bolts tightened up, we can fit the bracket now that supports the handbrake. That goes back in like that. Bolts down with two 8mm bolts, the same as these ones. If you'd like to see more repair videos like this, please let me know in the comments box, and thanks for watching.